As an experienced educator, school counselor, and mental health therapist, Kat McGrady understands the challenges you face in supporting your child's unique needs. This book uses straightforward language to help guide you every step of the way. Learn about evaluation options and how to advocate effectively for your child. Discover what types of interventions will ensure your child can enjoy a rewarding and successful school year. Get insights on treatment planning and collaborating with school staff. Empower yourself and help your child reach their full potential.